In today's video, we're going to show you how to make this parts template from the previous videos using only a PVC pipe. First step, we're going to draw the parts design. You can draw any design you want. The second step, we're going to cut this PVC pipe vertically. Here we are going to heat this tube around 10 minutes until it becomes soft. After it became soft, put it on the floor and cover it with something flat and wait around 6 minutes until it cools. Here we're going to draw our previous design on our PVC parts that we just made. Now I will cut it the traditional way, but if you have an electric saw, use it, because it's much better and accurate. Subscribe to help us, so we can buy an electric saw. I messed up the upper side, but I fixed it by gluing another part to it, and this is why electric saw is kinda required. Now we will make a hole for the screws. Do this step on the board, and it will show you what your pot will actually look like. This underside is the pot holder, and we'll show you how to make it in the next video, and it has the same method as the pot. This is the stand in which we will hang our PVC mold in. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we're gonna make a beautiful pot using this template we just made. The results will actually shock you.